Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to show you guys and also unbox this beautiful necklace-like true wireless earbuds. It is done by a company called Melofan, and this is called Metal Magnet. It is a wireless headphones, hi-fi sound quality, also HD calling and voice assistance. Doesn't matter if it is on Android, you can say Google, or it's going to be on iPhone or iPad. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family, and make sure you click the notification icon and select all. This way you will be notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly for you. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. You can see that the actual box is nicely done. It doesn't have much markings around, but once you look in the back, it has some info about what type of range you can use this in, the voltage, also frequency, and a little bit more that we're going to cover in this video. Except that once we open the box, these are the components. It comes with a user manual, and it does have all of the information on this. One side is in one of the Chinese languages, and then when we go to the back, it is in English. What you really need to know is everything on the first page is written right here, and then it will tell you everything you want to know about the headphones itself, also product parameters, indicator descriptions, also the instructions, and after sales and service and support. It comes with a wire for charging. Now this part is USB 2.0. The other side is micro USB. So there's not USB Type-C when these we do require. But again, it does the job for you accurately, and the wire is not that long. It also comes with extra ear tips and also the parts that are going to connect to your ear, and this way it's not going to fall. So if you do use a little bit bigger tip, you can use one of these to hook it up to the headphones, and then that we can hook it up to your ear. If you require a smaller one, they also included inside of this box itself. Now here is the actual earphones. These are the earbuds. You can see that both of them can connect together, so this way it gets disconnected, and it is magnet. It's very nice that they're going to be connected together, and this part will go inside of your ear. This will go around your neck, which is really cool, and it also have the volume up and a volume down. It also have the power button right in the middle, and then if you see on the side, you do have the part that you can connect the charger, so you can charge it. And if you look really closely, you do have the little sign that will tell you right, and if you look on the other side, it will tell you left. This is really cool. And also, if you look on this side, there's nothing there, but they made it in a way so it's not going to hurt your neck when you're putting it through. And also this is going to stay together, and it's not going to fall while you're going for jogging or you want to go for a walk. This will really help you out. So you want to take this to school, you can do that too. It's very, very user friendly, and it looks really nice. So here's the really best part. When you holding the power for a few seconds, you will be able to see that there's a blue and a red light flashing. That means is your headphones right now is on the pairing mode. So now let's go ahead and connect this to the phone. So make sure you go to your settings from the top and then go to your Bluetooth. Now give it a couple of seconds, and then when you say pair a new device, it's going to go through and find the headphones that we just placed on the pairing mode. And you can see the first one that comes up, it says A5P is the one for your headphones. And once it comes up, you can say allow, and you're going to see pair. And there you go. Now we are paired. You can see that the volume came up, and also it indicates that we have about 90% charge with this because we're playing with it. All right, so let's go through and try to play some songs. So there you go. Now it start playing. So if you have to grab this part and you go to plus, you can see that the volume goes up, and then when you're pressing it down, you can see that the volume goes down. This is really cool. Make sure that these two are not going to connect to each other, and that way you will be able to play your song. Now the best part is the power button that we have, if you press it one time, it should pause the song itself. As you can see, it is doing it right now. Now if we press it again, it unpauses. But except that when you are trying to make a call with this, it's very crisp. And you can see that the headphones itself, so when you have this around your neck, that is the mic that will listen to you when you're making a call. Because it's really near to your mouth, so it will be very clear when the other side listens to you. One thing that I noticed is when I was playing a very heavy metal music to this, the earbuds were really buzzing in my ear. To me, it sounded really, really good. So it is very inexpensive to get one of these, but I have to let you know that it does the job accurately for you. If you want to use this for regular just making calls, this is perfect. If you want to listen to some music while you're relaxing, this is perfect because it is, even if it falls from your ear, it is not going to fall that far. Especially what I really like is that these parts, when it falls from your ear, it's going to attach itself. So kind of like a necklace that is going to be around you. So it is not going to be really disturb anything. And on top of that, this is not going to fall that far from you. And you're not going to misplace it like the other earbuds. So this is really cool. It's all together. I have to mention that if you yank it too hard, yes, you can damage the wire because these are just made out of plastic. Same thing with this part is made out of plastic. If you use a scissor, you can cut it. I would not suggest because the wires are all together. Even going through this is the wire, and that way it both sides will work accurately for you. You do not have to pair one and then the other in order to make it work. This is all together and it works perfectly. Now, if you want to get one of these, links will be available in the bottom where you can order it from, except that I really like this. I really enjoy playing with this, and you can see that it just paused the whole song for me, and there's nothing that will fall behind when I am using this. When you are trying to listen to some music, like if I wanted to skip a song, I cannot do that with this headphones, but I can pause, I can play, take calls, take the volume up, bring the volume down, and hang up, or you want to create another call, this will really work. Again, if you want to use this for something like Google Assistant, or you want to use this for Siri, perfect thing to have. You just have to press the button one time, and you just have to mention the word Siri, and it will come up for you on your iPhones, or if you want to use Google, you can use it, and it will come up for you, and you can use it without touching anything. This works really good. And on top of that, when you're not really using it, you do not have to put it in your ear. And as you can see right now, you can just put it together like this, and it will be disconnected, and you can use it for later time. If you hold the power button for a few seconds, you will be able to see the light flashing for a few seconds. You can see right now that this is disconnected. Now, if I have to reconnect it, I have to hold that power button for a few seconds. To turn it back on, you will see the little light right here that is going to flash, and there you go. So now it's back on a pairing mode, and it should be able to connect. And there you go. Did you see that? It's connecting, and now it is going to be connected, and now it's done. So if you want to disconnect it, you have to hold that power button for a few seconds again, and you will see the little light flashing right there, and now it's going to be disconnected. As easy as that, you will be able to save some time and save some battery power so that we can use this for later time. I really like this. I'm going to use this for a little bit, and then I'm going to be able to bring some information more on our Instagram or Facebook so that you know exactly how good this is. Again, this is very inexpensive to purchase. Links will be available where you can order it from, except that I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.